Are you planning to return to work and looking for a hybrid workplace solution? Agilage is happy to present NE Office, a complete workplace management solution to manage your hybrid office. Our key features include seat booking, meeting room booking, visitor management, cafeteria booking, parking lot booking, and workplace safety and compliance. Enable your employees to easily find a workspace that meets their needs and get more out of your office space. You can optimize your seats in 3 ways. Hot desking, where seats are kept open for employees to book on their own. Hoteling, where seats are allocated by employees to admin, but he or she can decide whether to book their seat or not. Rostering, where admin plans the roster and allocates the seats to employees. Meet the intelligent meeting room scheduling software that makes finding and booking the proper room for the job simple. Easily connect with your colleagues anytime, anywhere. Take a glance at our interactive floor plan and book the room of your requirement. Opt for services like refreshments, tech assistance, or sanitization. Make changes like swapping invitees, rescheduling, or canceling reservations with ease via Outlook calendar, on mobile or our web app. Cafeteria booking. Pre-decide slots and capacity for employees and visitors to reserve their preferred time slot for visiting the cafeteria to avoid overcrowding. Parking lot booking. Employees can save time by reserving a parking spot right when you book your desk at work. Streamline your visitor and client experiences in office visits in a safe, secure, and compliant manner on our visitor management module. Pre-register visitors on the app to make the check-in and check-out process hassle-free. Notify the hosts automatically once they arrive. Digitize visitor logs to enable contact tracing through real-time insights. Easily integrate with your existing communication tools. Workplace safety and compliance. Bring compliant employees to the workspace through self-health declaration forms. Set criteria on who can access the workplace based on employee inputs. Make data-driven decisions with insight into occupancy, employee logs, and screening results. Enable contact tracing mechanism based on sign-in data. Sign in via app and secure contactless entry to your workplace. Apart from this, we have many more components that will enrich your hybrid workplace experience. Keep track of your employees' availability and create schedules for them to co-work using Team Planner. Plan and implement multiple employee rosters with minimal effort. Use the Find My Friend feature to book a desk close to where your coworkers are seated and collaborate easily. Using our occupancy tracker, gain insight on how many people are coming in on which days to make the best use of your work environment. Edit, view, or cancel your digital office pass that gets generated once you make your bookings on the app. Maintain social distancing in office by using the Bluetooth feature on our app for in-office social distancing. Employees get alerts when anyone crosses the 6 feet of safe distance. Complete network map and dashboard available for admin control. Scan QR code at entrance to check in and check out of office for contactless entry to office. Set business logic for seats to get automatically reverted to the common pool if the employee doesn't show up. Whatever your existing systems and workflows, NE Office seamlessly integrates to deliver a simplified, user-friendly experience for your employees. Centralized dynamic dashboards, workplace analytics, and reports are available. Integrations with apps like Google, Slack, Outlook, and MS Teams. Our app can also be hosted using Amazon Web Service. Our software is GDPR compliant and we follow high IT security protocols. Integrations with HRMS and Active Directory is also possible. In today's highly volatile and fast-moving world, there is a dire need to leverage the latest technology to bring employees safely back to work. Our company also offers employee transport solution called MyAtom, which provides end-to-end employee transport management solution with efficient routing and roster management, significant reduction in transport operation cost, and provide a safe and secure commute for your employees. Our intelligent proprietary routing algorithm uses AI and machine learning technology, ensuring a completely automated and optimized routing with maximum occupancy. The software comes with a suite of completely digitized features like geofence mechanism, speed violation monitoring, real-time monitoring, and user-defined customer reports. Thank you. We hope you gained a valuable insight into the workings of our products. For more information or queries, write to us at hello@agilitesolutions.com.